Okay, my dear students, we started computing sacrificing ratio and due profit ratio, but we did the sums continuously from 8 to 13. Then I passed on to 15 and 16. In the middle, 14 was left for some reasons. Okay, now we can start doing the 14th and 17th of that model. What is 14th? What is given in 14th? Karthik and Kannan are equal partners. They admit Kailash with 1/4 share of the profits. 1/4 share of the profit. Kailash acquired his share from old partners in the ratio of 7:3. Okay, old profit ratio, equal partners. Therefore, who are the three partners? Karthik, Kannan, Kailash. Karthik, Kannan, Kailash. This is 1:1. Kannan, because they are equal partners, you should remember. This ratio is not given in the problem, but they are equal partners. Therefore, we are writing it 1:1. Therefore, old profit share. One plus one, 2, that is 1/2, 1/2. They admit Kailash with 1/4 share of the profits. 1/4 share of the profits. It is given to Kailash. New partners share. Partners share. This is 1/4. And this 1/4 is acquired from the old partners in the ratio 7:3. Therefore, how much the old partners sacrificing? Sacrificing share. This 1/4 is got. 1/4 is got in the ratio 7:3. That is 7/10. From the old partners in the ratio of 7:3. This 1/4 into 7/10 is given by Karthik. From this 1/4, 3/10 is given by Kannan. So this is equal to 7/40 and 3/40. This is how Kailash got from Karthik and Kannan. 7/40, 3/40. This is the sacrificing share, and this is sacrificing ratio is sacrificing ratio. Ratio is equal to, since the denominators are equal, we can take the numerator. 7:3. Right. Then the next one, First answer, sacrificing ratio is found out. Now the new profit sharing ratio. What is new profit ratio? New profit ratio is equal to, how to find the new profit? Old minus sacrifice. From the old, if you minus sacrifice, you will get the new profit ratio. So old share is off. From off, this is 740, 7 by 40 is sacrificed. From this 1 by 2, 3 by 40 is sacrificed. And the third partner is getting 1 by 4. Now, this we should minus, so we need to write the equal denominator. Since the denominators are different, I said yesterday's class itself, with the different denominators, we cannot do either the addition or subtraction in fraction. So here, this is 1 by 2, denominators are different. Convert the denominator to equal. If you multiply this by 20, 2 into 20, 40, 2 into 1, 20, minus 7 by 40. The same thing, you multiply this by 20, 2 into 20, 14, 1 into 20, 20, minus 3 by 40 is to, for the comparison purpose, if all the denominators are equal, we can write just the numerator in the form of the ratio. So in that case, you multiply both numerator and the denominator by 10 to bring it into 40. You multiply this by 10, why not by some other numbers? Because in the rest of the two fractions, the denominator is 40, and therefore we must write this denominator also in 40. Therefore, 10 into 4, 40, 10 into 1, 10. So now, 20 minus 7, 13, 13 by 40. 20 minus 3, 17 by 40. 10 by 40. Since the denominators are equal, we can write the numerators. 13 is to 17 is to 10. This is the new profit ratio for the problem number 14. 13 is to 17 is to 10. Once again, I repeat this problem because it carries some of the typical ideas. What are they? The first thing, here the ratio of the old partners are directly not mentioned, but they are equal partners, it is said. Therefore, it is presumed that the ratio is 1:1. It is not at all given in the problem, you should remember, but it is given in terms of some words. They are equal partners. From that, you should understand that the ratio must be 1:1. So, their old profit share will be 1 plus 1, 2, that is 1 by 2, 1 by 2, you can write. New partner's share is fixed, that is 1 by 4. From the profit 1 by 4, he must be given. Kailash must be given 1 by 4. This is the condition. Under this condition only, Kailash is admitted into the partnership. And how Kailash acquires this 1 by 4? That is the condition. That this 1 by 4 is given by this Karthik and Kannan in the ratio 7:3. It is given in the problem, you can go through it. Kailash and Kannan both are giving together 1 by 4 in the ratio 7:3. So how much is acquired from Karthik by Kailash? How much is acquired by Kailash from Kannan? These are the 2 points. So this 1 by 4, out of this 1 by 4, 7 by 10 is given by Karthik because the ratio is 7:3. Therefore, the share is 7 by 10, 3 by 10. So, out of this 1 by 4, 7 by 10 is given by Karthik to Kailash. And out of this 1 by 4, 3 by 10 is given by Kannan to Kailash. Therefore, you multiply and find 7 by 40, 3 by 40. In multiplication is easy. No question of finding the equal denominator, etc. Numerator with the numerator, denominator with the denominator. Numerator with the numerator, denominator with the denominator. You can multiply straight away. That 7 by 40, 3 by 40. And since the denominators are equal, we can write this is 7:3. Don't think in what ratio they are dividing 7:3, that the answer is written here. This is different. This 7:3 is different. You should remember. Okay then, now how to find the new profit ratio? In the previous problems we have seen, sacrificing ratio is old minus new. New profit ratio is old minus sacrifice. Only from the old ratio, what all the partners, existing partners sacrificed, then the rest is called the new ratio. So old minus sacrifice. This is old minus sacrifice. This is old minus sacrifice. And the new partner is getting 1 by 4. That you can learn. As I said just now, in addition subtraction of fraction, we must be very careful. Only if the denominators are equal, we can either add or subtract. So here you convert this denominator by 20, 20 into 2, 40, 20 into 1, 20. Here also this is 7 by 40, you can write as it is. In this also the same, multiply both the denominator and the numerator by 20, 2 into 20, 40, 20 into 120 minus 3 by 40. This also should be converted into 40 because for the comparison purpose, if the denominators are equal, it will be easy for us to compare. So you multiply this by 10 to get 40, 10 into 4, 40, 10 into 1, 10. Now you can write 20 minus 7, 13, 13 by 40, 20 minus 3, 17 by 40, this is 10 by 40. Since the denominators are equal, we can write the numerator 13:17:10, that is the new profit ratio. Okay, we shall continue now the next problem, one more, which is left with of this model. Problem number 17. In problem number 17, what is given there? Ambika, Dharani and Vatma are partners in a firm, sharing profits in the ratio 5:3:2. Here, what is the speciality? Already there are 3 partners and the 4th partner is admitted. So far what we have seen? When there are 2 partners, 3rd partner is admitted. In this problem specially, there are 3 partners already, 4th partner is admitted. So, old profit ratio is equal to Ambika, Dharani, Padma, and the 4th partner is, new partner is Ramya. What is the ratio of these 3 partners? 5:3:2. So what is old profit share? the next immediate step you should write old profit share is equal to 5 plus 3, 8, 8 plus 2, 10, therefore 5 by 10, 3 by 10, 2 by 10. And what is promised to the new partner? They admit Ramya for 25% profit. 25% profit is given, therefore new partner's share is equal to 25%, which is equal to 25 by 100, which is equal to 1 by 4. This is the inference you should find. 25% is 25 by 100, which is equal to 1 by 4. Calculate the new profit sharing ratio and sacrificing ratio we must find. Okay. What is the speciality in this 17? What is the speciality in this 17? Here it is 5 by 10, 3 by 10 and 2 by 10 it is given. New partner 1 by 4. 1 by 4 is given to new partner. As it is given in 14, whether the equal partners, it is said it is in the problem? No. But how we should do? What does it mean then? After giving 1 by 4 from the total profit, the remaining 3 by 4 only is divided among the old partners in the old profit share. That is the meaning of it. You understand it? Once again I repeat it. Here the new partner's share is 25%. 25% in the sense 25 by 100. If you simplify, that is 1 by 4, very good. And how this 1 by 4 is got by the new partner? No such condition is given. Nothing more is given, it is stopped with that. If it is given like that, what does it mean? We should go to the reverse process. What is the reverse process? After giving this 1 by 4 profit of the business or 25% of the business, what is left with? That left with is divided among the old partners in this share. In this ratio, in this share it is divided. That is 5 by 10, 3 by 10 and 2 by 10. In this share only they divide. Okay, then what about the new profit share? New profit share. Balance of profits. Balance of profit to be shared among old partners is 1 minus 1 by 4 which is equal to 3 by 4. 1 minus 1 by 4, which is equal to 3 by 4. This 3 by 4 only should be divided among the old partners. Therefore, new profit share is equal to from this 3 by 4, 5 by 10 is taken by Ambika. From this 3 by 4, 3 by 10 is taken by Dharani. From this 3 by 4, 2 by 10 is taken by Padma. And as promised, the new partner's share is 1 by 4. New partner's share is 1 by 4. You should remember this is very important. This is equal to 3 into 5, 15 by 40. 3 into 3, 9, 9 by 40. 3 into 2, 6, 6 by 40. This 1 by 4 also can be written as 40, 10 times, 10 fours are 40, 10 ones are 10. So, this is equal to 15 is to 9 is to 6 is to 10. This is the new profit ratio. 15 is to 9 is to 6 is to 10. Now how to find sacrificing ratio? This sacrificing ratio can be found out, old minus new. Old minus new. What is old profit share? 5 by 10 minus new is 15 by 40. Then for Dharani, old 3 by 10, new is 9 by 40. For Padma, old one is 2 by 10. New share is 6 by 40. That's all, because these are the three partners sacrificing. The new partner has no place here. Now you can find the common denominator. 4 tens are 40, 4 fives are 20, minus 15 by 40 is 2. 4 tens are 40, 4 threes are 12, minus 9 by 40. Here also 4 tens are 40, 4 twos are 8, minus 6 by 40. Now you can simplify and write 20 minus 15, 5 by 40. 12 minus 9, 3 by 40. 8 minus 6, 2 by 40. Here the denominators are equal, so we can write the ratio 5 is to 3 is to 2. This is the sacrificing ratio. This is the sacrificing ratio. Once again, I repeat the same. These problems are typical problems, so I did not teach you on the whole yesterday. See, this you can find it now why it was stopped yesterday. This you can see in this problem. The profit ratio of the partners, that is world profit ratio, is given as 5:3:2. Another condition given in the problem is 25% of the profit is given to the new partner, that is Ramya, to Ramya. 25% in the sense 25 by 100, 1 by 4. 1 by 4 is given to Ramya. And any other condition is given, nothing is given in this problem. If the problems are given like that, what you should do? The share, you should take the total share as 1. From the total share, whatever the share given to the new partner, it should be minus. In this problem here, 1 by 4 is given to the new partner, Ramya. So, after minusing it, what is left with? 3 by 4 is left with. That is 1 minus 1 by 4. You can do just like cross multiplication. 4 into 1, 4. 4 minus 1, 3. 3 by 4. So, this 3 by 4, after giving 1 by 4 to the new partner, what is left with for old partner is 3 by 4. Therefore, this 3 by 4 only should be divided among the old partners in the old profit ratio. So, out of 3 by 4, 5 by taken is by Ambika. Out of 3 by 4, 3 by 10 is taken by Dharani. Out of 3 by 4, 2 by 10 is taken by Padma. And naturally, the fourth partner, already it is promised that she would be given 1 by 4. That is 1 by 4 it is given. Now you can simplify 3 into 5 product regarding fraction, nothing, numerator with the numerator, denominator with the denominator. So 3 into 5, 4 into 10. 3 into 3, 4 into 10. 3 into 2, 4 into 10. Here all the denominators are 40. So you convert this denominator also into 40. So you multiply this by 10. 10 into 4, 40. 10 into 1, 10. Now all the denominators are equal. So leave them. Write the numerator alone. 15 is to 9 is to 6 is to 10. This is the new profit share. This one question is over. One question is over. What is the other question? Other question is sacrificing ratio. Other question is sacrificing ratio. How to find the sacrificing ratio? What is actually in the past, that is old ratio? What is the new ratio now? What is missing in between these two? That is the sacrificing. So, from the old we should minus new. Old ratio minus new ratio. That is old minus new. Old minus new. Old minus new. We have written. Here, it carries no place for the new partner because old partners are only sacrificing. Therefore, we are considering Ambika, Dharani and Padma partners. So, we are minusing it. Once again, I tell you, only in addition and subtraction, if the denominators are equal, we can do it. Otherwise, you convert the denominators into equal. Here, you multiply this by 4. Naturally, the numerator also by 4. We are writing this. Here also, you multiply this denominator by 4. Then the numerator also by 4. This one. Here, denominator by 4, numerator also by 4. So now the denominators are equal, minus the numerator. And we can, since the denominators are equal, we can write the numerator as it is 5 is to 3 is to 2. This is the sacrificing ratio. See, these problems from 8 to 17, nearly 10 problems. These problems are mathematically you should be thorough, maths based, purely maths based. Only if you understand you can do it, or else you may find it difficult to answer them. So go through again and again. If you have any more doubt, you can call me and I am ready to clarify it. It is very important. Once again, I repeat this 14 and 17. What is the speciality there? In 14, it is said that they are equal partners. Karthik and Kannan are equal partners. No ratio is given. No such terms are given there, only the word is given, equal partners. So we should write on our own the ratio. It is the old profit ratio is 1:1. In the form of share, we can write 1 plus 1, 2, that is 1/2, 1/2. Here, it is promised that the new partner will be given 1/4 share of the profit. That is 1/4. Thereafter, the condition comes how this 1/4 is acquired by the new partner, or how this 1/4 is given to the new partner. That is the next question. 1/4 is given to the new partner. They give, this Karthik and Kannan gives to the Kailash, how in the ratio 7:3. 7:3 in the sense 7/10. 7:3 means 7 plus 3, 10. That is 7/10, 3/10. So 1/4 out of 1/4, 7/10 is given by Karthik. Out of 1/4, 3/10 is given by Kannan. So what is, how much is given by Karthik and Kannan to Kailash? See, 7 into 1, 7, 40, and 3/40. And the sacrificing ratio you can write 7:3 because the denominators are equal. The one question is answered. Now we are coming back to the new profit ratio. How to find the new profit ratio? From the old ratio, we must check how much is sacrificed. The sacrificed share is minus, then we can find the new share. So what it is, from this old one, sacrificed share 7/40 is minus. From this old one, sacrificed share 3/40 is given. The new partner's share will be 1/4 because it is promised already. That is 1/4. Now this you can multiply by 20, 20/40 minus 7/40. This multiply by 20, 20 into 2, 20 into 1. This you can write. Here also you should convert into 40. So multiply by 10, 10 into 4, 10 into 1. Now all the denominators are equal. So we can attend only the numerator. 20 minus 7, 13, 20 minus 3, 17, 10. Therefore 13 is to 17 is to 10. This is the new profit ratio. I explained it just now here. This is another important point only I tell you. 25% of the share is given to the new partner Ramya. What is the other speciality here? Here already there are 3 partners, 4th partner is admitted. So far in almost in all the 9 problems, totally there are 10 I said. On this finding new profit ratio and the sacrificing ratio, there are 10 problems. Out of those 10, usually 2 partners are given and the 3rd partner is admitted. But in this problem, there are 3 partners already given, the 4th partner is admitted now. So, Ambika, Dharani, Padma, here it is in the ratio, it is given, and we can write this 5 plus 3, 8, 8 plus 2, 10, 5/10, 3/10, 2/10. And what is promised to Ramya? 25% of the profit of the business will be given to Ramya. That is 25% means 25/100. Simplify it, it is 1/4. 1/4 is given to Ramya. So, what happened to the old partners? Nothing is mentioned there. In that case, what it is presumed? The profit left with is given to the old partners. What is the profit left with? See, 3/4 is left with because From one total profit you can take as 1, out of 1 full profit, 1 by 4 is given to the new partner, and the remaining balance profit is 3 by 4, 1 minus 1 by 4. This is how to minus, I just now told, just like cross multiplication, 4 into 1, 4, 4 minus 1, 3, 3 by 4. So this 3 by 4 is divided among the old partners in the ratio already given, or in the share already we have found out. So from 3 by 4, 5 by 10 is taken by Ambika, from 3 by 4, 3 by 10 is taken by Dharani, and from 3 by 4, 2 by 10 is taken by Fatma. And should we remember, you should remember very carefully. And the new partner's share is confirmed, it is 1 by 4. Now you can multiply and write it, all the denominators are equal, therefore numerator 15 is to 9 is to 6 is to 10, that will be the new profit share. How to find sacrifice share? From the old, if you subtract the new, we will get the sacrifice share. Old 5 by 10, new 15 by 40. 5 by 10 minus 15 by 40, 3 by 10 minus 9 by 40, 2 by 10 minus 6 by 40. For the sacrifice, it is nowhere it carries any place for the new partner. Only old partners are sacrificing, and therefore for old partners. 5 by 10 minus 15 by 40, 3 by 10 minus 9 by 40, 2 by 10 minus 6 by 40. And this is, you multiply this by 4 times 40 to convert this. The same thing here, the same thing here. All the denominators are equal. We can write the numerator 5 is to 3 is to 2. With this problem, this type of problem is over now.